Hey, it's Gina with WTI. When I saw these vanity lights, I knew that they were going to be just perfect for refreshing the look in this bathroom. This fixture from DIKAIDA has everything that I was looking for. A couple things about the design that make these stand out from other fixtures are that it has the wood look above each of the fixtures and then the caged look around the bulb itself. I like that it has this really sleek black matte finish to it. And the way that the top of the bulbs are encapsulated with that black metal ring, it just is very aesthetically pleasing. This fixture was super easy to install. It took my husband around 15 minutes. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, but basically everything else needed for installation comes with this kit. This is very secure on the wall thanks to the way that it's installed. And if you're a do-it-yourselfer like we are, you're going to find that this is super smooth to put on the wall. DIKAIDA has so many different light fixtures to choose from, whether that's just one bulb or multiple, you're going to find exactly what you're looking for. Overall, we are so pleased with the quality and the look of this light fixture. It is amazing, and that's our point of view.